Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 14 lesson number revision second. Okay. In this lesson, today we are going to learn one question. Okay. Look here, dear students. Identify the participles in the following paragraph and classify them as past participle, present participle, and gerund. Okay. We want to first read the paragraph and then we want to write the verbs. Okay, that means identify the participles in past participles or also present participles or gerunds in three different parts like this. Okay, now let's start the paragraph. Okay, dentistry is an art as well as science in which one's hand skill are used. Okay, skills can be inherited, acquired as well as achieved. Most people are not informed that dentistry is a reasoning discipline. It is an applied art where one is constantly putting his knowledge to practice compared to standing, practicing yields better results in this field. Full stop. It is also very tiring to be standing for long hours treating the patient and making sure that the best efforts are delivered. Okay, it is one paragraph. We want to identify or classify participles in three groups: in past participles, in present participles or gerunds. Okay, look here. Dentistry means Danta Vaidyak Shastra in Marathi. Okay, is an art as well as science in which one's hand skills are used. Look here, used. Okay, it is a past participles. Here is one chart. We want to make one chart like present participles, then past participles, and then gerund. Okay, and then look here, use is a past participles, so you can write here in past participles column use. Okay, now the next, skills can be inherited. Look here, inherited, it is also past participles, so you can put or you can keep in past participles inherited. Okay, now the next verb, acquired, it is also past participles, you can write here acquired. Okay, it is also past participles, then as well as achieved. Okay, it is also past participles, so you can write here also past participles. Use, inherited, acquired, achieved, these are the past participles. Okay, now most people are not informed. Look here, informed, it is also what? Past participles. You want to write these all participles in past participles because they are past participles. Okay, now look here, next, that dentistry is a reasoning disciplines. Look here, it used as a noun. Okay, this reasonings. So put these participles in a gerund column. Look here, gerund, reasoning. It used as a noun when the verb plus ing that used as a noun, that time we can say that is a gerund. Okay, reasoning. Okay, reasoning discipline. Okay, look here, it is a noun, used as a noun. It is an applied. Look here, applied, it is also past participles, so you can keep applied in past participle column. Okay, now the next verb, applied art where one is constantly putting. Look here, putting is used as a present participles. Is constantly putting, putting is used as a present participles, so you can keep putting in present participles column. आपल्याला 3 कॉलम करायचे, प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आणि जिरंड. जे प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल आहे ते प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल मध्ये, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आहे ते पास्ट पार्टिसिपलच्या कॉलम मध्ये आणि जिरंड असतील म्हणजे जे वर्ब आयएनजी प्लस वर्ब आहेत आणि ते नाउनचं काम करतात ते जिरंडच्या कॉलम मध्ये आपल्याला मेन्शन करायचे. ओके, नाउ पुटिंग यूज ॲज अ प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल इन दिस पॅराग्राफ. नेक्स्ट, his knowledge to participate. Okay, look here, then compare, use as a past participles. Then you can put this word into past participle column like this, compare. Okay, now the next, to study. Okay, to study you can write to study is a used as a noun, so that you can study used here as a gerund. Okay, studying used as a gerund. Next, participate. Okay, look here, sorry, practicing, it is a practicing. Okay, compared to studying, comma, practicing, and practicing also used as a gerund. Okay, practicing is a also gerund, used as a gerund. Then else better results in these fields, studying and practicing used as a gerunds. Then now next line, it is also very tiring. Look here, tiring used as a present participles. Tired means thakwa like this. Okay, tired we can say that. Okay, tiring is used as a present participles, is plus verb ing form that indicate the present participles. Okay, now to be standing, look here, standing is also used as a present participles. Standing, now standing for long hours, treating, look here, treating is also used as a present participles. Remember this, म्हणजे वर्तमान present participles we use here. Look here, treating means आपण काय करण्याचा उपचार वगैरे like that. Okay, treating the patients and making sure. Look here, making is also one present participle, so you can write here or keep that word into present participles, making. Okay, making sure that the best efforts are delivered, and are delivered indicate delivered as a past participles. You can keep these words in past participles. Okay, I hope you should, that means you understood all things related with present participles, past participles and gerunds. According to this paragraph we want to classify, okay, all the participles, that is past participles, present participles and gerunds. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.